Hello everyone, it's April here from Dragons and Dresses Craft Sorted. I got a Beebeecraft package. Yep, they asked me to do some more videos for them and I said sure, why not? It was fun last time. But you know me, I'm not going to be the one to do just resin projects, so let's see what we got. And if you don't know what Beebeecraft is, it's an online marketplace with different wholesalers in this one place. And they're very inexpensive and you can get big quantities, small quantities, it doesn't matter. Link is below, Dragons 10 for 10% off, or if you can just follow the link. All right, so the first item we got here is called Cutie Pops, and I'll have the item number listed right here on the page screen for you, and it's Diamond Dot stickers. I didn't realize that they came 4 to a pack, but aren't they cute? Look at all those cute little princesses. I got these for my granddaughter and I to do a video together, but it came with 4 in the package. So we'll see what happens with the other ones. And it comes with the stickers and all the drills that you need for it and everything else that goes along with it. Now, once you get these done, they are stickers so that the kids can put them on something else, which knowing her, it'll probably be on her toy box. Okay, and that item number is this one again right here. Okay, now the next thing that we have coming out here is going to be, let's see, what can I pull out of the bag of tricks here? Oh, it's the jellyfish crochet kit. It's so cute. It's a jellyfish crochet kit. I'll get the words out. And you can do several of them, and here's this item number. I love to crochet. It hurts my hands after a little while, but we're going to get these done too. And this is for beginners, so anyone can learn how to do this one. And this is that item number one more time. Okay, okay, and the next item we have coming out here. Uh-oh, I dropped it, my bad. Oh, sorry for the boarding house reach. That is my photo box. So now I'll be able to take professional looking photos with you guys, or for you guys. So I really could use this, and I've been using a box myself that I made myself, but this was so much easier, and it collapses. And here's this item number right here. Okay, now next, coming out of the bag, we have, you can get an affiliate program with Beebeecraft too. Just apply for it. If you have at least 100 subscribers and you are on your YouTube channel and you have to interact with them as well, then they will offer you the same thing. And this one is Russian Dolls Diamond Dot key rings. I love Russian dolls. I have some skeleton ones. I have some regular ones. But Malia and I are going to do these together. When she does the stickers, I'll do those. Okay, now this next set here is compacts. I got 2 different compacts, and each one has the compact with 2 mirrors, the mold for the resin compact, and then it also has a mold for a comb in each one too. I like that geometric design on this one. It's very adult-like. Look at that cute little comb. Isn't that adorable? And it comes with 2 mirrors, like I said. 1, 2. You can get replacement mirrors from Beebeecraft as well. That's beebeecraft.com. You can follow my affiliate link in the description below as well. And I don't get commission off of it, so to speak, but I do get money towards, free items from them. And here's the other one. This one is a rose. Now, I saw my friend Natalie do this one, and I cannot pronounce her last name to save me, and I don't want to butcher it. We're just going to call her Nat. She did this one for her granddaughter, and I loved it, and I'm glad I had picked this one because they let me pick my own items. It comes with that mold, and it comes with the flower shaped mirrors, and it comes with 2 of those, and it comes with a different comb mold. See, there's 2 mirrors in there as well, and they're packaged really well. For being in a baggie, everything was packaged very well. Well, that's all I have in this order, so if you'd like to try Beebeecraft for yourself, just follow the affiliate link below. And if you can make one person laugh or smile every day, then your day has been worthwhile. And I hope this did in some small way. get you at least to smile about maybe something you want to order from Beebeecraft. Don't forget, it's Dragons 10 for 10% off down below. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.